our community is celebrating Community Day, and we had a fun-filled day in the park with lots of vendors. I was able to network, paintings and jewelry, and met some really great people up here in the Northeast Kingdom. We are so blessed to have such exciting things right across the street from where we live. This is amazing. In Memphis, I grew up on the Mississippi River, and those people had $1 million homes, and I was jealous of the 4th of July every year with the fireworks. And look at what my Creator does for me. I live here. This is where I live. And look at this. A front row seat. $1 million front row seat to fireworks. It's so blessed. So blessed. So happy. Look at it. Isn't it awesome? It's just amazing. So much fun. Mosquitoes are out tonight. Yes, they are. Bugs are flying. Yeah. So wherever you are, I hope you're celebrating life. It's just awesome.
Here, he asked you, what do you have? Oh.
Yes. Yeah. It's more of an artistic show. Yeah. Look at that. Awesome. People are out walking in the neighborhood. Cars are up at the park. Look at that beautiful purple. Just some gorgeous lights to make you feel alive, and that you have the ability to see these things, you know? I have eyesight. I have presence of moment. Hopefully, yeah, cherries. What do you do with cherries? Pop them and eat them. That's what D Lucky says. You go over and see D Lucky and see Mr. Handpay. He's trying to get 1 million subscribers. Lady Luck, she's over there trying to get subscribers, 1 million. Judo family and Patelli's Intuitive thoughts, everything that is good and right. Look at the bugs. You can see the bugs are attracting to this light. It's amazing. Also go over and see Carissa Stevens too. She makes some great meals. I like to do advertising for everybody else too, so that y'all can subscribe to them and find out about their lives. Oh wow, that's gonna be a double one. Nope, it wasn't. I thought it'd be a double. Oh, pretty. I like those. Little stardust. Nice. Beautiful.